What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add animations and motion effects to your text using Canva into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your Canva, find the design that you wish to add your animated text, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over apps and click on it. Then you're gonna type motion text, and here is the guide that I'm looking for, okay? Once on motion text, you can choose the design that you wish, okay? There is a couple of designs that you can play with. This one from Glitch, for example, it's really nice. You can change the text. You can change the font family, the alignment, the spacing, the color, the outline color, the outline widget, the animation style. There is a couple of styles to play with, okay? All up to you. Then the intensity of the style, and after choosing every single part of this, you're gonna click on Add to Design. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to apply this animated text to your design, and of course you can share this and download as a video to use into some motions you have, okay? Just keep waiting. And here is the result we got. We have a glitch. But now, let's try to create a new one. All I have to do is choose the style that I wish. You can change the colors. In this case, you can change the interface colors. There is 3 to play with. After doing the change, let's apply this to the design. Canva gonna be creating the animation. And we have the keep going effect. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and blog full of tutorials. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!